Hi everyone, it's Nonna Teresa. Today I'm going to be making a beef stew. I will start with a little bit of oil. I have the meat. Okay, I'll start putting the meat. And I'll start adding the meat. You remove it. And then it's good. Looks nice, eh? Okay. And the onions. Garlic. The savory. Not too much because we're going to be adding broth, and the broth has salt, so it's up to you. Just taste it. Huh? Red wine. The meat back in. Okay, I'm going to lower the heat. I'm going to add the broth. And this is going to cook until the meat is nice and tender. And I'll put the lid on. Okay, now I'm going to add tomato paste. I don't know, I'm using this today. I'll add the parsley. I'll add the bay leaf and the Italian seasoning. Smells so good. Okay, now I'm gonna add the potatoes and the carrots. And add some pepper. Okay, so now we'll cook it until the potatoes and the carrots are nice and tender. Okay, this stew, it's nearly cooked. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm just gonna add some water to the flour and I'm gonna stir it. So you just pour it. See, you can tell that it's nice and cooked. So we'll leave a couple more minutes. And we will be ready to serve. Okay, it's been shut off now. It's been a couple minutes. The potatoes are nice and tender. The juice is nice and thick. Yeah, I'm gonna take out the bay leaf. I'm gonna put her in here. And it's ready to put her in a dish. And you can serve this with crostini. With crostini and garlic butter. That's the way I'm gonna serve it. Okay. Looks so good. See how it thickened the juice? The meat. So good. Delicioso. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Until next time. Ciao for now.